Role and application of fluorescent Pseudomonas, strains in controlling bacterial diseases on crops.
Welcome to our group, and these are warriors full of personality, together ready to conquer every challenge ahead. Did you know that in today's world, chemical pesticides have become an important tool for improving productivity and preventing diseases? However, besides the benefits, the abuse of chemical drugs is also causing many negative impacts, such as high costs, drug-resistant bacteria, environmental pollution, and human health. Instead, you can choose biological drugs to protect plants effectively while still being safe for human health and the environment. Did you know that in the natural world, not all bacteria are harmful? There is a special group of bacteria, invisible warriors, that help plants stay healthy and fight diseases without the use of pesticides. They are fluorescent Pseudomonas, the tiny guardians of the agricultural ecosystem. How can these bacteria protect plants from pathogenic bacteria? And how can we apply them in sustainable agriculture? Let's find out right away. Hello everyone, I am fluorescent Pseudomonas, which is a beneficial bacteria belonging to the group Pseudomonas species. I usually live in the soil and root zone. In particular, I have the ability to fluoresce under ultraviolet light thanks to the production of the pigment pi-overdine, a type of siderophore that helps bacteria compete for iron with other microorganisms. Gram-negative rod-shaped cells, aerobic respiration. Motile by flagella at the tip, has many flagella at the pole, does not form endospores. My nutritional flexibility and adaptability enable me to live in a variety of environments, including water, soil, plants, and animals. Growth temperature, 30 to 37 degrees Celsius. Some strains can live at 40 degrees Celsius. Can be grown in Kingsby medium and at neutral pH. Fluorescence at 365 to 366 nanometer wavelength. Able to adapt well to environmental conditions. Rapid development in the trend of mass production.
When you spray me over the plant, I can control pathogens through ammensilism. I will colonize the plant roots and prevent the establishment of other harmful rhizospheric microbes through competition for favored sites and nutrients. I will secrete antibiotics, siderophores, and cell wall degrading enzymes. The antibiotic or antifungal compounds lyse the cell wall of pathogens and also inhibit spore germination. The siderophores limit the iron availability for pathogens. I'll make your plants strong and resistant by producing growth hormones or inducing systemic resistance. When a pathogen attacks plants, the plants produce phytoalexins and PR proteins and increase lignin content to exhibit resistance against plant pathogens. I will also help plants in phosphate-soluble
compete for habitat and nutrition with other microorganisms because they secrete antagonistic compounds. The role of PGPR in reducing the impact of stress factors. PGPR helps plants resist environmental stressors, including heavy metals, lead, mercury, arsenic, copper, nickel, cadmium. Hydrocarbons, organic compounds from petroleum and pollutants. Salinity, salinization. High salt content affects plant growth. Drought. Lack of water reduces growth ability. How PGPR works, PGPR uses several different mechanisms to help plants grow and withstand stress. Biofilm formation through EPS, exopolysaccharides, helps protect roots and improve water and nutrient absorption. Induced systemic resistance, or ISR, stimulates the plant's immune system to fight pathogens. Reducing oxidative stress through ABA, abscisic acid, helps plants cope with environmental stress. Ethylene regulation with ACC deaminase, controls ethylene hormone, helping plants limit the negative effects of stress. Nitrogen fixation by the enzyme. Nitrogenase, converts atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can absorb. Phosphorus solubilization with organic acids, helps plants absorb phosphorus more easily. Plant growth by cytokinins and gibberellins, hormones that promote growth. Promotes root growth, root elongation, thanks to IAA, indole 3-acetic acid. Helps plants have a healthy root system. Control of pathogens with HCN, hydrogen cyanide. Inhibits the growth of harmful bacteria. Growth promotion with VOCs, volatile organic compounds. Stimulates plant growth. Conclude this image summarizes the important role of PGPR bacteria in supporting plants through a variety of mechanisms, from nutrient provision, hormone regulation, protection against environmental stress, to pathogen control. Application in agriculture, Pseudomonas fluorescens is used as a biological product to prevent diseases and enhance plant health. Conclude. I am an economical solution to the problem of plant control. I can be deployed in garden fields and greenhouses. I am best at controlling pathogens in fruits, vegetables, cotton, paddies, corn, rice, and beans. This is an excellent and potential biological solution to help control plant diseases, increase crop yields without relying too much on chemical fertilizers and pesticides. If you are looking for a sustainable farming method, try this bacterial application today.